Worksheet 2 is getting more familiar with the idea of impulse. Impulse is equal to force, the net force on an object times the duration of time that it is applied. So two boxes of equal mass are being pushed across the floor with equal forces for equal time. So equal force, equal time. That means they have to have equal impulses. So box A starts at rest. Okay. Box B starts with a positive velocity. Okay, that doesn't change anything. Because it's equal forces and equal times, these impulses have to be equal. I guess we could say A equals B. And the reasoning is equal force and equal time. And now you finish the rest of these in a similar fashion.